Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Minecraft PPT Baam game. Let's check it out. The Minecraft PowerPoint game is made by a collaboration of teachers on the Waygroup forum, and we'll put a link below in the comment section description box for you to get your free PPT download. Points in this game are denoted by blocks that you mine, as in Minecraft. You lose points when you encounter creepers and other baddies in the game. There are other special events as well. The home screen is a collection of blocks. You choose one of the letters to go to a question. Once a student answers a question, if they answer it incorrect, go to the X. If they answer it correctly, go to the green circle. They'll then find out if they've got some points or they've got some sort of penalty. Here they've got a collection of blocks. You add all those blocks up and that's how many points they've received. Click on the right hand icon to go back to the home screen. Sometimes though, you go to an extra special event. Here is a cave. Do the students want to go in or not? The red will take them back to the home screen. The green will take them into the cave. It's important that you remind the students that this could be good or bad and you don't know. Unfortunately, the gamble didn't pay off and the students team lost all their points. Well, that was our PPT walkthrough of the Minecraft game. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And remember to check out the description comment box below to get your free copy of this game. Goodbye.